Hey everyone! So we finally got a cool rainy day here, and I figured it would be a great time to share a heater video with you. And the heater we're going to look at today is a Big Heat Model 6200. And this is basically just a small fan forced heater. Now here are the controls. On the left you've got the fan and wattage controls, so you can turn it between off, fan only, warm, which is I believe 1200 watts, and hot, which is 1500 watts. We'll zoom back out here and take a look at the sides. And those louvers there are where the fan is. It takes in air through the back and pushes it out through the front here. And in front of it are heat coils. We'll turn this thing on fan only now. See, it just has a small pilot light that comes on. And now we'll turn the heat on warm, 1200 watt setting. And it's beginning to put out some heat here. We'll turn out the lights, and if you look really closely, you'll begin to see a bit of a glow going on near the bottom right hand side of this thing for the heat coils. We'll bring it up to the high heat now, and you see that the coils begin to glow. And this thing is belting out an incredibly large amount of heat. I mean, it's pretty amazing. This thing can easily warm up the room. It's getting toasty. So we'll put it back down to the fan setting here. Let it cool off for a few minutes. And so with that, I'm going to get ready to conclude this video here. I would like to thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please be sure to hit that like button and also be sure to hit subscribe, because, of course, we will have more to come. And so with that, we will see you later on this cool rainy day that we've got going here.